He took both tires off. Look. That fool took off the tires. What an idiot. He's really gonna get into some shit. Hell no, you're not getting his truck back. Let me get the license plate of his car too. Get in the fucking door. We got this one. Now we got this license plate. Where's he at? There you go. This guy right here. You see him? This guy right here. He took off the tires. Look. He's rolling them. Watch yourself. You're really trying the most to keep your truck, huh? When you know damn well you have the key in your pocket. You're not cooperating. It's all right though. You're gonna put the wheels inside. We're still gonna take your truck with all the stuff in it. Here, I'll hold the door for you. There you go. Good job. This is also his partner in crime. Right here. There you go.
Did I'm saying something to you?
No?
Don't stop doing that.
I could record you. I could record anything I want to. I could record anything I want to. It's the law. Oh yeah. Got that license plate? Huh? There's the second tire. You're so smart.
He's touching you in the back of it?
Yeah, he put them in the over there.
Let's get in the truck, close up.